I would request all the dignitaries to join us with the lighting of the lamp. I now call upon Dr. Vidya ma'am to address the gathering about today's session. Very good morning. Very good morning to all dignitaries on the dais. The chief guest of today's function, Mr. Kamlesh Mehta, who is the General Secretary of Kumbalgoda Industrial Area, and our Principal, Dr. K.M. Ravikumar sir, and Vice Principal, Dr. D.V. Chandrasekhar sir, and heads of various departments, and teaching and non-teaching staff, and my dear participants. So, very good morning to one and all. So, we are happy to share that out of 250 basic level FDPs, we are one among them to conduct 6-day AICTE training and learning faculty development program on generative AI and cybersecurity challenges at VIVEKANANDA Institute of Technology. The objective of AICTE's training and learning is to impart quality training through faculty development programs for faculty members, postgraduate students, research scholars, and industry professionals so that the participant will acquire a sound domain knowledge and associated skill set to apply in real life with Industry Connect. And the participants are equipped with institutional leadership skills for academic leadership, and they are understanding their roles in community well-being, national building, and also their own career development, and can effectively communicate knowledge and skill sets to the students in an efficient manner, and their teaching learning effectiveness is assessed. So this is the objective of ATAL FDPs. And the theme what we have selected for ATAL FDP is the generative AI and cybersecurity challenges. So generative artificial intelligence, particularly it models such as ChatGPT and other deep learning frameworks have made significant advancements in automating content creation, data analysis, and decision making across industries. While generating AI offers immense benefits such as automating mundane tasks, enhancing creativity, and improving business efficiency, it also poses unique cybersecurity challenges. So these challenges arise from the dual use nature of generative AI where tools designed for constructive purposes can also be exploited for malicious activities. So generative AI is a powerful tool that can both enhance and threaten cybersecurity. The rise of AI-driven attacks such as automated phishing campaigns, deepfakes, and adversarial attacks underscores the need for organizations to adopt a proactive approach to AI governance and cybersecurity. So while the challenges are significant, they can be mitigated through the integration of AI-driven security solutions, user awareness, regulatory frameworks, and advanced authentication mechanisms. So addressing these challenges will be crucial to ensuring the safe and responsible use of generative AI in an increasingly interconnected world. So in next 6 days, so we have number of sessions with hands-on training, case studies, and an industrial visit. So the sessions are planned for the duration of 6 days, that is Monday to Saturday. So which includes 25 hours of teaching in 10 equal sessions and 5 hours of practicals, lab, experiential learning sessions of 1 hour each and 4 hours of article discussion of 1 hour each and 3 hours each for MCQs, article summary and feedback and 4 hours for an industrial visit. And according to this ATAL FDP, so the participants will be evaluated based on various parameters, and it is very much important to announce these parameters in the first day itself. So candidates would be eligible to receive a certificate upon achieving at least 70% of cumulated weightage in the following aspects. So attendance, so 100% attendance is compulsory and the weightage is 20%, and one assessment which includes the combination of MCQs, short answer type, reasoning based, which is individual, so weightage is 10%, and 2-page article summary per team, so weightage is 30%, and output of practical sessions, this is individual, and weightage is 15%. And report outcome of industrial visit at the last session, so weightage is 10%, and reflection of journal, which is also individual activity, at the last session, so the weightage is 15%. So I hope this FDP will provide a good platform for understanding the future technologies on generative AI and cybersecurity challenges. So I request you all to attend all the sessions and fulfill the requirements of the AICTE ATAL FDP requirements. So we have already the program schedule has been distributed among all the participants, and we have quite a good bunch of experts. So we have selected them from the academics industry. The day one, it starts with Dr. Rashmi R. Madam. So Madam is going to cover introduction to generative AI and its use in cybersecurity. And day one, the afternoon session, Dr. Siddesh GM, Professor and Head CS AI and ML, MS Ramaya Institute of Technology. Sir will be covering securing generative AI, and the same day, that is day one, we have one more expert, Jamuna S. Murthy from MS Ramaya, and her topic is safeguarding cyber physical systems with generative AI. Day two. So day two session starts with Dr. Manish Kumar, who is the Associate Professor from RV University. So sir will be covering guarding against NLP based attacks on generative AI, and afternoon session also it will be handled by Dr. Manish Kumar sir itself. And third day we have Mr. Anuj Magazine, so co-founder and CTO of AI and Beyond company. And the same day we have afternoon session, Mr. Drumil Shah, Cloud Security Specialist, Hewlett Packard Enterprise. So we will be covering the power of generative AI in data security. And third day, so we have Mr. Suraj Shirolikar, Product and Application Security Leader at Microsoft. And sir will be covering transition from conventional AI to generative AI. and its benefits in cyber security. So the whole day it will be handled by Mr. Suraj Shirolkar sir itself. And the next day, so we have industrial visit. So the industrial visit to Data Security Center of India. So that is Crime Branch headquarters at Bangalore. So it is in Racecourse Road. So we'll be visiting there. And afternoon session, so which is generative AI on AWS, which will be handled by Mr. Supreet S. Sangadi, who is the A&ML specialist, a startup solutions architect, Amazon Web Services. And the last day, so according to ATAL FDP, the one session is compulsory on that is life skills. So we have selected time and stress management, which will be handled by myself. And this is the schedule of the 6-day FDP. So hope you will happily learn at VIVEKANANDA and make sure that you will enhance your knowledge. Okay. So once again, I thank all the participants. Very good morning and welcome to the 6-day FDP. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, I am honored to introduce Mr. Kamlesh Mehta, a leader in both business and industry related to stainless steel. He currently serves as the Secretary of Kundukod Industries Association and is a member of numerous trade and industry associations. Mr. Mehta exemplifies dedication and vision. A science BSc graduate from Kolkata, Mr. Mehta is the driving force behind Stallion groups of companies. He is a pioneer in introducing stainless steel in building and construction in India. Along with Steel Authority of India Limited, Salem Steel Plant and the Indian Stainless Steel Development Associations, Mr. Mehta has educated architects and designers on the use of stainless steel in architecture through seminars and exhibitions nationwide. Mr. Mehta's notable projects include the India's largest stainless steel monument, the Guru Tegh Bahadur Memorial, and the National Police Memorial in Delhi. His efforts have given him various awards, including Sir M. Visvesvaraya Award in the sector of development and manufacturing new products with stainless steel. He has played an essential role in the production of lightweight, energy-saving, fire-resistant, maintenance-free coaches for the integral coach factory Indian Railways. His pioneer spirit and tireless efforts have rightfully earned him the title of Bhishma Pitaha for his groundbreaking work in introducing stainless steel in the construction across India. Please join me in acknowledging and applauding Mr. Kamlesh Mehta sir for his remarkable achievements and contributions to the industry. I now request our chief guest, Dr. Kamlesh Mehta sir, to address the gathering.
On the dais, Sri K. Ravi Kumar, Principal VKT, Dr. D. V. Chandrasekhar, Dr. Rashmi, Dr. Vidya A. who's the convener, Office Beer and MC members of JES, faculties from various colleges, PG students, very good morning. I think among all doctors, there is a single guy who has just done EPSC. And I have been asked to talk on AI. To what extent I would be able to, discuss on this, that has to be seen. I am really humbled to be part of this event being sponsored by AICTE, Training and Learning Academy. to conduct offline faculty development program on generative AI and cybersecurity challenges. AI and ML tools usage in the last 7 months has skyrocketed by 600%. This usage has rocketed by 600% from April 23 to January 24. GI has tremendous potential in various fields like text, video and image generation. Common people from various sectors are already using this. AI can be useful, as Vidya Madam was talking about it. AI can be helpful across a wide range of areas, including but not limited to automation of repetitive tasks, administrative tasks, scheduling, that is scheduling emails, document management. As far as data entry is concerned, automatic manual input and validation of data. When we talk about business intelligence, AI can process large data sets, identifying trends and insights for better decision making. Then we talk about predictive analytics, forecasting market trends, customer behavior and business outcomes. Talking about customer services, chatbots and virtual assistants, automatic customer interaction, resolving common queries and enhancing customer experience. Then it is sentiment analysis, understanding customers' emotions and feedback in real time. It will come in healthcare diagnostic also. AI-powered tools for analyzing medical images, predicting diseases, and offering diagnostic support. It will also give personalized medicine by tailoring treatment based on individual genetic and health data. Now, it will help in marketing and sales promotion and personalization, recommending products, content, or service based on user preferences. Customer segmentation, identifying key demographics and behaviors to target specific audiences more effectively. It will help in supply chain and logistic optimization. AI can streamline operations, optimize delivery routes, and predict inventory needs. Demand forecasting, helping businesses plan for fluctuating demands. Now, the most important thing why all this is happening is we are talking about cyber security and threat detection. So, AI system can identify and neutralize potential cyber threats in real time. Fraud prevention, detecting anomalies in transaction data to prevent fraud. In education also it will help. I think most of you know all these things. Apart from these things, they are, the list is on and on and on. Whether you talk about agriculture or any field you take it, space, anywhere. AI is going to be the next happening thing, which will enter everywhere. Now, in education, personalized learning, tailoring learning experiences to individual students' needs and progress, automated grading, reducing the workload for educators by optimizing the assessment of assignments and tests. Now, we're talking about HR, human resources. In recruitment, it will automate candidate screening, resume analysis, and even conducting initial interviews. Employee engagement. All tools can analyze the employee sentiments and engagements, helping to improve workplace satisfaction. Now we are talking about the creative industry, now which is very popular. That is the thing which is happening very fast. Content creation. AI tool assists in generating art, music, writing and design ideas. Video and image editing. Automating receptive editing tasks like background removal and so many other things which can be done with this. When we are talking about the finance, algorithmic trading, AI-driven trading system analyze financial markets and execute trades. Risk management, identifying risk and forecasting financial outcomes. When it comes to the government and public policy decision support system, AI will help policymakers analyze complex data sets to create informed policies. Citizen engagement, chatbots and AI system can streamline services like tax filing or access to government resources. Even the legal industry, when we talk about the legal industry, document reviews, AI can assist in legal research, document discovery, and contract analysis. Case prediction, it will predict case outcomes based on the historical data. Now, this is the part where I am a little bit connected. This is called manufacturing and industry. I strongly feel that, in fact, Doctor was mentioning about it, there should be an interaction between the academia and the industry. Because when you are developing something, you have to be in touch with the final end user. Then only you will be, able to develop it in a much better way. So that is very important. Already I have seen that a lot of tools have already come in the market. When you talk about security, then you talk about quality control, you talk about fire safety. There are so many things that are already there in the market, and people are adopting it very fast. Industry is adopting it very fast. Now, for talking about this process optimization, AI can improve production efficiency, reduce waste. In fact, it will help in designing also, and enhance quality control, predictive maintenance, monitoring machinery in real time to predict failures before they occur. Prevention is better than the cure. With GIA, computers can predict and generate themselves authentic, useful data based on natural language dialogues, prompts through deep learning, machine learning, and other technologies. The results could be in the form of text, images, and videos. GAI will bring in a lot of opportunities along with challenges on the cyber security front. Data security risks will grow multifold. This will also be scientific and technological ethics and moral challenges. Even the data security risk will multiply to a great extent. Artificial intelligence based frauds will also increase. These are threat perceptions what we see. Based on data, a few months from a company from US, whooping 29.8 billion encrypted threats were blocked by a single company. Malware, ad spyware sites, and phishing accounted for 99% of all encrypted attacks. Surprisingly, manufacturing was the biggest targeted industry. Year over year, a browser exploits have increased by 297%, and AI ad spyware has increased by 290%. US was the top target for encrypted attacks, followed by India, then it was Australia, France, and UK. These are the first 5 countries. So when we are number 2 in cyber attacks, we have to be really geared up for this. Currently, AI experts from the world over are focusing on their research in areas of technical principles and development trends of GI. Very little effort has been put into overcoming the risks and challenges it brings. Under these facts, India needs to initiate countermeasures to maintain cybersecurity and address the threat posed by GI. This would mean establishment of standard and specifications for AI technology to ensure its security and reliability. The AI fraternity has a big job in hand, and there is a need to address cybersecurity and propose strategies to overcome threats. Without taking much of your time, I would like to conclude here and also thank VKIT management for inviting me as chief guest here. Since I am not from the AI family, some of my views about the subject may not be relevant, and I ask for a pardon for that. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. I now request Principal Dr. P.M. Ravikumar sir to address the gathering.
Honorable Chief Guest for today's program, Sri Kamesh Mehta ji. So one of the speaker, Dr. Rashmi Madam, Vice Principal Dr. Chandrasekhar, HOD Dr. Vidya, and other HOD staff and participants from various colleges from various parts of the country. First of all, I welcome you all for this 6 days FDP program. Dear participants, this program is a very unique program. Usually, if you would have attended many programs where the audience would have been 100, 200, 300 or 500. So one of the unique feature of this particular program is the strength is only 40. The main purpose of this is every individual can share their thoughts. Every individual get what actually they want. When the number is more, interaction becomes less. Keeping this in view, AICTE has given you an opportunity where a small number can share their views or interact with the resource person. Not only theory, we also have the practical session also. This is one of the unique features which has been sanctioned by AICTE. Number one. Number two, why generative AI? I divide this into three parts: generative, artificial, intelligence. Earlier days, everyone used to respect intelligence, right? They used to honor intelligence. They used to give awards to the intelligence, right? And a separate status for those intelligence, and that was very costly, right? Intelligent people will get more salary than general people. Then they want some alternative method so that they can cut short this economy or cost involved in this utilizing the intelligent people. Then they thought, why can't we use artificial? Instead of calling a person here, if you can just record his, because for example, say if you're conducting an international conference and bringing a guest from USA, Europe or some other place, it's very costly sense, right? Or else what we can do is we can request them to send a recorded video, artificially we can play this here, or lively we can interact. And if you want something to display, instead of getting the real term, for example a diamond, it's very difficult for us to bring a diamond here, right? A model of that, which is artificial, can be brought and shown to you. So artificial came into picture where to replace the costness of the intelligence. So then the source of artificial intelligence started. Then why generative? Because whatever the artificial intelligence that we are going to use, basically we need to use that in the production or reproduction manner. So we require multiple components, multiple equipments, multiple items of the similar type to be generated. So generative came into this picture. So this generative artificial intelligence will rule the future of this particular society. Everyone should have the knowledge. Long back, in one of the meetings, I was discussing with my HODs by taking a simple example that in the newspaper nowadays, they're using courtesy from AI. Many of you might have seen, because, for example, I was discussing morning with Kamlesh Mehta ji. It's very difficult to get a picture. For example, you can't go to the flooded area and get a real picture and bring it here. So we have an artificial intelligence tool where you just give the feature to that, a similar picture of that flooded area we give you that you can print it in a newspaper. You can see almost 10 to 15% of picture in nowadays in a newspaper, it is AI courtesy. So in future everything will be AI, although the job opportunities are very less. Future is completely related to AI. I hope the 6 days of FDP is going to enlighten you with respect to this generative AI, and whatever the doubts and other things that you have in your mind, all those things will be cleared by the experts like Dr. Rashmi and others who will be available here for next 6 days. So best of luck and welcome to the 6 days FDP and VKT campus. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I now call upon Dr. Vidya ma'am for the vote of thanks session.
Thank you. So, on this occasion, I would like to thank AICTE for granting us, for sponsoring this 6-day FDP on generative AI and cybersecurity challenges. So, on behalf of Janata Education Society and Vivekananda Institute of Technology, we would like to thank ATAL Academy for this opportunity. And also, I extend our sincere thanks to Janata Education Society, to all the members, and Shri G.K. Satyakirti sir, Director VKIT Bangalore. So sir has sent best wishes for all the participants and the organizers. So we thank him in his absence. And also I would like to thank today's chief guest, Mr. Kamlesh Mehta sir, so who took time to stay with us, and really we are that is an honor to invite you sir on this occasion. Thank you sir. And I would like to thank our principal, Dr. K. M. Ravi Kumar sir, who is the backbone of this 6-day FDP program. So thank you for his support and guidance in all the aspects of conducting this 6-day FDP program. And I would like to thank our Vice Principal, Dr. D.V. Chandrasekhar sir, for his support and coordination in conducting this 6-day FDP. I would like to thank Dr. Rashma madam, who will be the next, that is the section. She is going to chair the session and she will deliver a talk. So from Balaram, madam took time to, that is, grace this occasion. Really we are thankful to you, ma'am. And I would like to thank all the heads of the departments, teaching and non-teaching staff of BKIT. And finally, but not the last, I would like to thank all the participants and their principals for taking time to send them to the 6-day FDP ATAL program. Thank you all. Have a nice day.
That's pretty good.